can say, my name is,
Moje ime je.
and then at the end you can say, how much does it cost? Do you speak English?
Govorite li engleski?
Govorite li engleski? Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. I'm Sarah, a Canadian expat living in Croatia with my Croatian hubby.
And I'm Ivan, I'm local, and I'm Sarah's hubby.
Today we're going to walk you through some common Croatian phrases that you can learn that might be helpful if you do visit Croatia.
Yeah, when you come in Croatia, that you at least know some basic words. We will teach you some words that local will be surprised that you know when you come here in Croatia.
Oh yeah, you can feel like a local when you know a few of these phrases, and everyone will be very impressed with your Croatian.
Yeah, the Croatian will be happy that you at least know a couple of words.
Yes, so here we go. Okay, so first we're going to start with some basic greetings. Hello.
Bok, which is a very informal greeting in Croatia. It's mostly used in this like Zagreb area, but also in other parts of Croatia too.
Just very informal, hi, kind of more of like a hi, right?
Yeah.
Next one is good day, which is kind of more of a formal greeting when you are meeting somebody. If you go into a store, you won't say bok, you would say
Dobar dan.
Dobar dan, good day, dobar dan.
There are also like other more formal greetings which we use in Croatia. One is
good morning.
Dobro jutro.
Dobro jutro. Croatians greet people really based on the time of day, so they use specific words for the type of day. So there's dobro jutro, good morning, dobar dan, good day, and then the next one would be
Dobro večer.
dobro večer, good evening.
Good evening, yes.
Good evening, dobro večer.
Yes. And we also have one other greeting. When you go to bed, you say
Laku noć. Good night.
Good night.
Laku noć. So all the times of the day are covered. You have dobro jutro, dobar dan, dobro večer, and laku noć. So it really covers all hours of the day as more of a polite greeting. Next one is how are you?
Kako ste? Dobar dan, kako ste? How are you?
Dobro. Next one is if you want to reply, you could say good, thank you.
Dobro, hvala.
Dobro, hvala. I'm good, thanks.
If you're not okay, you say like nisam
Nisam
dobro.
dobro.
So you don't have to be, you don't have to lie.
And then if you're meeting somebody and you want to know their name, you could say, what is your name?
Kako se zovete?
And then you can say also what your name is. You can say, my name is
Moje ime je.
whatever your name is. Or you can also say zovem se, right?
Zovem se Ivan.
Okay, so when you're here, somebody might ask you where you're from. So if you hear this phrase,
Odakle ste?
that means where are you from? Odakle ste? And you can answer, I'm from
Ja sam iz Australije,
Hrvatske,
Kanade,
Kanade, Italije. So you can just fill in the blanks of where you're from.
Yeah.
Okay, so here are some simple answers and manners. So just to say yes,
Da.
da, super easy. No,
Ne.
ne. And to say maybe,
Možda.
možda. Question words, who,
Tko?
tko, what,
Što?
što, where,
Gdje?
gdje, when,
Kada?
kada, why,
Zašto?
zašto, how,
Kako?
kako. Those are the question words. You might want to learn those if you are learning Croatian because they'll be helpful in asking all sorts of questions.
Yeah.
Here you can say, please,
Molim vas.
can I have a coffee, please?
Molim vas kavu.
Can I have a donut, please?
Molim vas jednu krafnu.
Etc., etc. Please is molim vas. And thank you when you receive something. Thank you.
Hvala.
Hvala.
Hvala vam.
So now is communication and understanding. So if you're out somewhere and you want to know if somebody speaks English, you can say, do you speak English?
Govorite li engleski?
Govorite li engleski? Maybe they will, maybe they won't. Usually they'll speak a little bit of English.
They'll know at least something.
Something to help you in the street if you need directions or something. Usually people here speak at least a little bit of English, and a lot of people speak a lot of English, so you shouldn't have a problem. If you're out on the street and someone is speaking to you in Croatian and you don't know what they're saying because you don't speak Croatian, you can just say, I don't speak Croatian.
Ne govorim hrvatski.
Or you can say, ne razumijem, I don't understand. Oops, sorry, I took your part.
Oh, it's okay.
Or you
You know Croatian really well, so.
Maybe you're walking around somewhere and you need directions. You can say, how do I get to?
Kako doći do?
Kako doći do, and then insert where you want to go. So another one is if you're out somewhere and you need to use the restroom, you need to know how to ask for that. So you can say, where is the restroom?
Prostite, gdje je WC?
Yep.
Prostite, gdje je WC?
Gdje je WC? Where's the train station?
Gdje je željeznički kolodvor?
Gdje je it?
It's kind of hard word. Željeznički kolodvor.
It is kind of tricky, so gdje je željeznički? Gdje je željeznički?
Željeznički kolodvor.
Gdje je željeznički kolodvor? Is that better?
Yeah,
You good?
yeah,
Okay,
that's good.
there you go. Where is the bus station?
Gdje je autobusni kolodvor?
Gdje je autobusni kolodvor? And then they might reply, turn left.
Skrenite lijevo.
Skrenite lijevo. Turn right.
Skrenite desno.
Skrenite desno. Go straight.
Idite ravno.
Idite ravno. Maybe someone will just say, here.
Ovdje.
Ovdje. Or they'll say, there.
Tamo.
Tamo. And so you can kind of get by with those simple words for directions. Maybe you want to know about the weather and you want to ask somebody about the weather. You can say, what's the weather today?
Kako će vrijeme biti danas?
Kako će vrijeme biti danas?
Yes.
So maybe they'll reply back with, it's sunny.
Sunčano je.
Sunčano je.
Or it will be sunny. Sunčano će biti.
Sunčano će biti. It will be sunny. Maybe they'll reply back, it's raining.
Pada kiša.
Pada kiša. Or it's snowing.
Pada snijeg.
Pada snijeg. Or it's windy.
O, vjetrovito je.
Vjetrovito je. Maybe they'll say, it's a beautiful day.
Predivan dan danas.
Predivan dan danas. Or they'll say, it's hot.
O, vruće je.
Oh, vruće je. Or they'll say, it's cold.
Hladno je.
Hladno je. At a restaurant or a cafe. So first, if you want to use the word restaurant,
Restoran.
very easy, quite the
Similar,
same
yeah.
as English almost, restaurant. Cafe,
Kafić.
kafić. Then your server might come to your table after you sit down and say, what would you like?
Izvolite.
Izvolite. And you can tell them your order. Or maybe you don't know what you want and you need a menu. You can say, do you have a menu?
Da li imate jelovnik?
Da li imate jelovnik? And they'll bring you a menu. But for a cafe, the most common ones are coffee, please.
Kavu molim.
Coffee with milk.
Molim kavu s mlijekom.
If you want to go eat, you can say, let's eat.
Idemo jesti.
Idemo
jesti.
jesti.
Yeah.
Very popular saying in Croatia. If something is delicious, you can say, it's delicious.
O, ukusno je.
Oh, ukusno je. Or you can say, it's very delicious.
Jako je ukusno.
Jako je ukusno. So when you're done your meal and you want your bill, you can say, bill please.
Račun molim.
Račun molim.
Ili molim vas račun.
Or molim vas račun. And then at the end you can say, how much does it cost?
Koliko to košta?
Koliko to košta? So, 1,
Jedan.
1, 2,
Dva.
2, 3,
Tri.
3, 4,
Četiri.
4, 5,
Pet.
5, 6,
Šest.
6, 7,
Sedam.
7, 8,
Osam.
8, 9,
Devet.
9, 10,
Deset.
10. Those are numbers 1 to 10, and 100 is
100.
100. Say you're in Croatia and you meet someone special.
Oh, like I met you.
Like we met each other. Well, then you can use these words to express affection. You can say, at first you're just getting to know each other. You can say, I like you.
Sviđaš mi se.
Sviđaš mi se. And then eventually you can say, I love you.
Volim te.
Volim te. Okay, and then your vacation is over, you go back home and you really miss that person. You want to tell them, I miss you.
Nedostaješ mi.
I ti meni. And you me too. Okay, so those are some words of affection, because if you come to Croatia, then you just might find somebody special, so watch out. So when you're leaving somewhere or you're saying goodbye to a friend, there are just many different options to say goodbye to them. You can say the more formal goodbye, which is
Doviđenja.
Doviđenja, or the more informal goodbyes are...
Yeah, you can say bok, also which is a hi.
Bok.
Or you can say pozdrav.
Pozdrav.
Or vidimo se, see you.
Vidimo se, see you. See you soon.
Vidimo se uskoro.
Vidimo se uskoro. See you tomorrow.
Vidimo se sutra.
Vidimo se sutra. And
Vidimo se kasnije.
Vidimo se kasnije.
See you later, alligator.
See you later. Vidimo se kasnije, alligator. So there are many different options of saying goodbye. So learn one of them, and then you can say that as you leave a store, leave a restaurant, leave a hotel, and you can act like a local.
Yes, exactly.
Yes. So those are basically some of the most popular Croatian phrases. We hope that you were able to learn a few phrases at least for your upcoming trip maybe that you have booked.
We hope that you enjoyed our video.
Yes. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. And we'll see you all again soon. Doviđenja.
Doviđenja.
Bog pozdrav.
Vidimo se.
Vidimo se. You can say, I'm sorry, I don't speak Croatian.
Ne razumijem hrvatski.
Maybe.
Oh.
I think somebody needs a lesson in Croatian.
Sorry.
Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. I'm Sarah, a Canadian expat living in Croatia.
And I'm Ivan.
Hi everybody.
Why? Are you like really? Oh my goodness.
I'm not
Are like laughing like this?
I'm not laughing at your hair. Where's the train station?
Gdje je željeznički kolodrom?
Kolodrom.
Kolodrom. Kolodvor. Okay.